Hello, good day. I'm Susana Balkin. I'm 40 years old. I have two daughters, 20 and 17. I'm married, and I'm an in situ holder in healthcare service, equipped with skills in providing quality care. Recently, I've been working in Saudi as a home-based caregiver for an elderly persons with diabetes, mobility issues, and overweight concerns. My responsibilities include administering insulin, monitoring for DKA, preparing meals, managing medications, assisting with mobility and transfers, and maintaining a clean and safe environment. This involves changing linens, doing laundry, cleaning her house, and ensuring her overall comfort. I'm hardworking, honest, physically fit, and punctual. Trustworthy. I'm eager to apply my skills and experience to provide exceptional care as a domestic helper. Thank you.